What's the meaning of cellulose? Cellulose. Cellulose.
Cellulose. Cellulose. Cellulose is a complex carbohydrate found in the cell walls of plants. It provides structural support and stability to plant cells and is the most abundant organic compound on Earth. Due to its strong and rigid structure, it is used in the production of various products like paper, textiles, and even some types of plastics. Cellulose is also an important dietary fiber for humans, aiding in digestion and promoting overall health. However, as humans lack the enzymes needed to break down cellulose, it cannot be digested by our bodies and passes through the digestive system unchanged.